Hi guys, Aniq here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So what we have today is a glass screen protector for the iPhone 13 Pro. You guys can see, this is the phone. So this has a special installation. You guys can see it. It comes with some mat which you put on and stuff. So you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and open it up. And pull this out. Let's pull everything out. It comes with two of everything. First thing is some challenge, which we're not going to be doing because I do not trust myself. And then we have an installation guide. So what you do is you first clean your phone, put on the huge dust remover, right? And then what you do is you take one of the screens, you pull this down to reveal the screen, and then what you do is you stick it onto the phone, right? And you stick it onto the phone, and then you have to go down the middle like this, right? You guys can see? That's the whole process. Okay, so without further ado, let's get on installing. Let me put half of these things away. So yes, you guys can see it went on pretty well. It went on really well. There aren't really any holes and stuff. And the dust remover, I think the best part was the dust remover and how big it was, because it was able to capture all of the dust in just one go, right? So I think that was the main part that was really good about it. It went on pretty well, you guys can see. So you see the side. Yeah. Yep, so yeah, that's just about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and remember to hit the bell icon. Bye.